Hello guys, welcome to my HTML lessons. In these lessons I will use a paid utility to present how I code in HTML documents and how to present it to users, to yourself. This utility is first JavaScript Editor Pro, a product of Yandex software, and actually I use this very beneficially, and I advise you to use this product. And right away I'd like to come back our lessons. And previously we have already lectured lesson 1, and this time we are going with lesson 2 with our HTML coding. Here this is the utility that is available on the market, first JavaScript Editor Pro, and I have already prepared some examples here, and one by one I will show you and see the result when we run this on a browser. I prefer this built-in browser, so it's up to you. Use Opera, Maxton, Firefox, or Chrome, or Internet Explorer. Okay, in this example we here have two parts. Okay, title part and body part in an HTML file. So title part, within title part we can assign a name as a title. Here align attribute example I say, and in the body part this is the strings that is gonna be print out on the screen, three of them, and this will be aligned, the first one to the left, this is in the center, and this is in the right. Just when I run this, the first line, this is left aligned, okay, and this is center line, the second line, okay, center, and this is right aligned, will be displayed on the screen. Just here you can see the difference. All these are separate paragraph entries. And how about the other files? Okay, this is the third one. So title attribute example will be title. So hello HTML will be displayed on the screen with header 3. So right away I will run it on my browser. Title heading tag example. Okay, this string will be headed. Okay, and let's go with another one. So I here would like to show you coloring mechanism. So I prefer here FF color for red ink, and it's going to be printed. The font will be Arial. So some text will be printed out on the screen, and this is nothing has been done with this title, and only text can be colored here, because we use here semicolon, and the color is chosen here. Let's go with our next example. Here title is display directions, and it is going to be exist in the top position, display title position. So this is how Internet Explorer renders right to left directed text. So as you see, it's started from the right. Okay, and how about this one? I have to close this, and right to left. The important thing here is right to left. If we choose left to right, it's going to be the original one. Okay, just you're seeing this. We change it to right to left. Okay. So text is started from the right to the left. So next one. So we can select language. We have already using English, and the language is selected as English. Okay. How about the other? Okay, this time how to bold a word is shown here as an example. So just B place B/B before and end of the word to be bolded, and when we run HTML file, the following word uses a bold typeface. So the word exactly we indicated as to be bolded by these limiters will be bolded, will be bold. And how about italicized words? So letter I is used for this. I and /I within brackets will run this, and let's see how it is. This is italicized. Okay, you can use this italicized format more than once. For example, you can use here. So another word can be italicized by placing the proper limiters. Okay, let's go with another one, strike through. So it becomes much more emphasized. We can show it whenever it is required to do such a thing. We could use this one. Okay, how about the other one? Monospaced font example. So I'd like to show you this. So by placing a TT and /TT, we indicate that this is a monospaced typeface. Okay, here monospaced typeface, and once again with another example here. Okay, superscript can be used given such a format, superscript, sub, and how about the subscript, and this by letter B, subscript, will give another different format, subscript. These are especially useful when you need to use chemical formulations or mathematical expressions, exponential expressions. I'd like to say that. and how to insert and delete one word and another word. And I want to drink cola, not cola, wine. So del stands for this, and insert stands for this. We can del this one, and right away we can insert this within the same paragraph. Okay, let's go with another one. Okay, if you would like to show a bigger typeface, we can use a big blah blah slash big format. So it's gonna be shown as a bigger one. Okay, how about the other one? Small this time, a little bit small to discriminate it from the other words, can be used small. And how about this one? Okay, just we can arrange some menu tags like this. These will be HTML files so as to direct it when it is clicked on. This is the same in fact, and here when we click on this, in fact it's gonna use the URL that's to be directed there. And the division ID, when we use this division ID, content will be left and white. Okay, background color will be white, and all this and actual content articles will be printed here with header 5, and this is going to be printed with another at another paragraph. So this division is finishes here, so this content here, and for the tag type, this division is runs. Okay, just I'd like to show you. Of course, there is no relevant URL page for that. That's why no view. Okay. Shortly, just you can discriminate here where to go when you click on home or contact or about buttons. Okay, here there is another that's to be colored as green. This span tag, okay, this span tag colored as green, and this one div tag red will be red. Okay, along with this div tag will be red. Okay, emphasize text. So this is another example that can be emphasized by placing em and backslash em / em, and so just we can following word has been marked yellow. And how about the other one? Special terms, we can define a special term. Okay, you guys, this is the end of this course. I know it's somehow boring, but I have to tell all these keywords, special tags, in order to use HTML coding. And after reviewing all these tags, we will start with writing HTML codes for more complex, more complicated layouts, page layouts. And for the time being, that's all, you guys. Thanks for your watching me, and bye bye. Keep in peace. Bye bye.